Hey everybody, what's new? Today I'm going to start a YouTube build. Well, I'm going to start talking about a YouTube build with this 1958 Chevy Biscayne. Normally I like working on imports like my 97 Eagle Talon that I built and raced. I love working on little turbo motors and tuning fuel injection systems, but recently my uncle gave me this 58 Biscayne. He had a whole bunch of projects on the go, way too many, needed to get rid of a few, so knowing that I love the 58 GM style, he gave it to me. So now I have a 58 Biscayne that needs a lot of work, and after a few pictures on social media, it seems like you guys really want to see it. So why not document it on YouTube? From what I can tell, the car was a shaved and decked out full-out show car, probably back in the late 70s. Since then, it's been parted out and passed around. So what I got was a lot of dents, bad welding, Bondo, and rust. But for the most part, it's still pretty solid. There's no interior. Unless you're into that 70s era plastic chair bolted to the floor. My uncle put in all new power brakes and front disc conversion, as well as new power steering, tie rods, and ball joints. It's a rolling, stopping, and turning chassis, all done and ready to go on a very clean frame. He threw in a mysterious 354 bolt with brand new Hedman headers that seems to only want to run on 4 cylinders. Painted it gold because it was originally going in his T-bucket project. He put in new floors, but the rockers do need some attention. It did come with all the chrome and glass and a trunk full of new and used parts. Kind of feels like starting one of those plastic models back in my childhood. Given the shape and condition that the body's in, and the fact that I don't have $8 million to throw into this project, it's most likely not going to make it to Barrett-Jackson. In fact, I originally planned it as using this as practice for my welding skills. And I know some of you are probably going to hate me for what some people would call ruining a perfectly good potential project. I'll try my best not to destroy it. I do have a couple old-time car guys who are going to give me some advice, I'm sure, and give me a hand when I need. For now, I'm going to keep this rat rod theme. So budget, perfection are not going to be high priority. And I apologize if that makes a lot of you cringe. But if you want to see some money go into this car, well then like and subscribe to my channel. The more support I get to my channel, the more effort I'll put into this car and make it look nicer. In fact, if I get 8 million subs in like 2 weeks, I'll just send the car away to get all professional body and professional paint. How's that? But first, I gotta get the motor running on all 8 cylinders. That way I can move it into a better position so I can start working on the rockers and doing the welding. That will be the first or the end of this project, depending on whether I'm successful at welding or I turn the car into a puddle of steel on the ground. So there it is. I don't have a lot of experience in these cars, so I really can't tell you what to expect. Let me know what you think and leave some advice in the comments, and maybe even like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you later.